my name is Joey, and what is your name?
My name is Juliet.
What do you have?
We're gonna do some scientist experiment. And you say, where's the scientist experiment?
Where is your experiment?
It's right here.
Well, hey, show us. What do we got today?
We're gonna do our X-ray.
Science lab. Whoa.
We're gonna do it in my science lab.
All right, show us. Let's go ahead and open it.
Let's open it. Julie, you do it.
Thank you.
Let's open it together, Julie. Yeah.
All right.
Today we're gonna do our underwater garden. Yay!
Garden. What it's gonna look like? Like this. You're gonna look at it.
Whoa! That's how they look. I know. First you get a bottle of water, and then you put some food coloring, and then it looks like underwater.
All right. Go ahead and take a look. See what we're gonna be needing today. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. So we're gonna need a small bottle.
Yeah. Some bubbles.
Check. We're gonna need some growth stones. Check.
So those are seeds. Those are color seeds.
All right. And Julie, where's your small bottle?
Okay.
All right. We have our small bottle right there.
And the little color seeds.
That's right. Show the camera. Now we're gonna need a sample spoon,
Show the camera.
solution, and some clear water.
Clear.
So Julie, you're gonna fill the bottle.
Yeah.
Here's your bottle.
Thank you.
Do it slowly, the water.
Here's your funnel.
Do the water slowly. Like, no. We need some more.
I think it's good.
Oh.
Don't splash it out.
That was a lot. That was a lot. No.
All right. Now that we put the solution inside of the cup, we're gonna shake it.
Shake it.
Shake it good. See, shake it. All right. Good stuff. All right. Wait. Let me take a look. Here.
I did.
So now we're gonna do one by one. Let's go ahead and wait for the camera. Okay. You have to do kind of quickly. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead.
I gotta shake it now.
That's right.
And we're gonna shake it.
No, actually no shaking. Just close the bottle.
I gotta shake
You
it.
do shake it.
No, we don't have to.
It's growing.
Do you see?
It's growing.
It is.
Correct. The little things they make it to grow.
And there's that my tank.
Now we're gonna pass this.
That is so cool.
We need to wait.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So Joe, tell me what do you have in your hand?
That a balloon that when it's angry, it does like this. Look, it does like this. I thought it didn't make. And then when you get it, it's like
No putting stuff in our mouths because this are chemicals sometimes. We don't want it. Alright, so step number 1.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and get the bottle and put the funnel. Joey, give me the funnel. No, to Julie, sorry.
that like
Now we're done.
It's gonna be Add 2 spoons of baking soda.
Then put it off. We put it off.
Oh, actually, no, don't put it off yet. You're gonna need to put 2 spoons of citric acid.
This one.
And no, that's baking soda. So it's Joey's turn now. Joey.
This one.
Baby finger.
Oh my gosh, give me the balloon. Right here, it's right here. Alright, let me have the balloon.
Bam, bang.
Alright, Joey, open up the citric acid. Alright, don't play with this spoon because we don't want to break it. Alright, so Joey, we're gonna open up the citric acid.
We're gonna do a citric spoon.
So how many spoons do we need?
2.
Alright, so let's put it in there.
I made it, man. It's already done.
Yes, it's alright.
Yeah.
Now don't mix it yet, okay? And now we're going to add 2
Baking
spoons
soda.
of baking soda. Now it's gonna be Julie's turn.
Yeah. I did.
Alright, so Joey's gonna hold the balloon and Julie's gonna put the baking soda into the balloon. 2 spoons, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Alright, maybe just a little more because the first one was a little. No, that's too big. That's too big. That's too big. That's too big. About that should be. All right. Go.
For the bottle.
Julie for the bottle. Julie dumps over. This one does look angry.
No way.
What do you guys think?
No way.
Is he angry?
Yes, he's so angry. Punch. Punch.
No,
Give me it.
He's just playing with it, honey.
Maybe the air pushed it.
Yeah?
Air pushed it. Like when the bubbles make the air float.
What about you, Julie? What do you think happened?
Maybe push and then throw the water that down.
All right. That's the angry balloon. What do you guys think?
Good.
It's a good one. All right. Now this one's gonna be called Rainbow Bridge.
Yeah.
We're gonna need 1 cup of water.
And 2
1
tops.
cup of water for you,
No.
and then 1 empty cup.
Of water.
1 empty cup for you.
Now
And we're gonna need
pour
some coloring. That's
it. Pour
right.
it.
Not yet.
Pink.
I want that one.
All right.
On the yellow.
What is this?
Orange one. The red.
Don't open it yet. Now we're gonna get red.
On 2 of them.
So you want blue.
And yellow.
So we should.
No, orange. Orange. This is orange. This is orange coloring.
And we're gonna
I
need
can
a
open it.
mixing stick.
Oh, this.
Alright. Now, Joey, can you open it?
No chance.
Alright, I'm gonna help you open it.
Yeah.
Oh.
And purple.
Blue.
Alright. Julie? 1. Wait, Joey, I said Julie first. 2, 3. We're gonna need 8 more, or 5 more. 5, 6, 7, 1 more. 8. Alright, good job. Now we're gonna get the red one. Wait, Joey. Let's see. 1. Alright, now go ahead and mix it with your spoon. Can I have that, Joey? Thank you. Mix.
Can I do it now?
That's dark purple.
I know. What is
It's red.
What is on the phone?
It looks orange. It's purple.
Red and yellow makes it orange.
So what we're gonna go ahead and do now?
All done.
Good job. So we're gonna go ahead and get. Wait, Joey's not yet. We're gonna go ahead and get a napkin, and we're supposed to fold it in half twice.
And I roll it.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna fold it, not roll it. And you're gonna put one end on the on the cup with the water, and one end on the empty water. Go ahead and try it.
Can I do it now?
No. Just like that. All right. And then we wait. Julie, wait, Joey. Now we're gonna wait. Now this process is gonna take up to 2 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to some other experiments. Now we're gonna move to Joey. All right, Joey, how many drops are we gonna do into the water?
8.
All right, 8 to 10 drops. Let's go ahead and get started. You counting?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's good. That's all I was counting before. All right. You. Oh. Alexa, stop.
1, 2, 3,
Julie.
4. Oh, yellow and blue makes it green. Look, it's green. 1, 2,
No, you're
3.
5, 6, 7. That's good. That's good. Because you're doing.
And let me
You need to drops, not squirt. Left. Other way. Now do it again to the other. Napkin. Right, Joey?
yeah.
Right, Joey.
It's turning to green. What's timer? Flame has timer.
Thunder from where?
Ghostbusters.
How about that? Now, Joey, just like Julie, we're gonna put one end,
From me.
yes, on the empty cup, and one end on the water. And we're gonna start seeing how.
Look,
You see how it's climbing it?
it's going fast.
My time me too.
Yeah. This process is supposed to take up to 2 hours.
2 hours.
Put them on the side, and let's move to the next experiment.
Do it.
We're gonna go ahead and actually add some water.
Now look at mine. Mine good.
Yes. All right. Yes. Water in there.
That one got blue. Now look, this one is blue.
All right. Now, Joey, I'm gonna give you some water too. All right. And we're gonna put that on an empty cup. And how about the process?
Dad, do it for the red one.
All right.
What?
So I could go faster.
Yeah. So let's speed it up. What do you guys think of the experiment so far?
Good. Let's do another one.
No, after this.
No, it's gonna take forever.
Joey, you got purple.
No, it's blue
I mean, I'm so sorry. Yeah, blue.
and orange.
Yeah. Well, guys, what do you guys think
And
so
me.
far of the experiment?
Good. After this. After
Help
this.
me.
All right.
Please help me. Stuck.
Got it.
Now I was like this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for our YouTube channel and like and subscribe.
And
Bye.
bye and hit the like button.
Like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Yes. All
Like
right.
button.
Like and subscribe. Goodbye.
And hit the like button.
Hit the like button and down below.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.